Hello everyone. I thought I'd share with you something that I just found at the store yesterday. And here's the box that it came in. Hopefully you can see it. Fried chicken ice cream. I thought I would try it just because it sounds fun. Now it is entirely made of ice cream. So there were no chickens harmed in the making of this video. They come individually wrapped. If you read on here, it's got vanilla ice cream in the middle. The bone is actually chocolate. And it's got a crumbly crumble on the outside. So let's get it opened up and see what it looks like. Boy, it almost does look like a piece of Popeyes. Oh, it's hard. It tastes pretty good. It doesn't taste anything like chicken. Well, that does look like a drumstick. Trying to get down to where the chocolate is. You can see where it's supposed to be the bone. I just took it out of the freezer and it's very hard. Oh. So it is just vanilla ice cream. The coating on there, I'm not sure what that's made out of. But it looks like shake and bake. The coating doesn't have much of a taste. But it tastes like vanilla ice cream for sure. I can see the hole there, but there's nothing in it where the chocolate bone's supposed to be. It's a boneless leg. It tastes pretty good though. It's starting to soften up a little bit now. Oh, there it is. There's the chocolate bone in there. I wish it was a little bit bigger around. Here we go. It gets bigger as you get to the small end. The chocolate is hard. It's not chocolate ice cream. It's more like a chocolate candy bar. Yeah. Well, there you have it. They taste pretty good. Especially if you have children, this would be a lot of fun. They would love it. The only thing is, it only came 3 to a box. So depending on how many children it is, you might have to buy several of them. Thanks for watching.